Do you want to learn why men pull away? Hi, I'm Antia Boyd, creator of the Magnetize the Man method, and today I'm gonna reveal all the secrets or the mysteries and the myths why you think or wonder or question, why are all the men pulling away? So, number one reason why men pull away is because you are incongruent, girlfriend. You are inauthentic. Now, what do I mean by that? So many women are actually much more anxious than they lead on to. So they think, oh, I'm just not gonna get back to the guy right away. So he doesn't notice that I've been thinking of him 24/7. But guess what? You are sending mixed signals on an unconscious level. He receives that. And guess what? A confused mind says no. So at some point, he'll say, something doesn't feel right. And that's when he pulls away. Number two, you are the one who gives all of your power away, meaning he can sense that you're not being authentic, that you're not setting boundaries, that you're not saying no, that you're not speaking up, speaking your desire. And there's just not enough edge, right? There's just not enough authenticity for him to stay invested and interested in you. And reason number three why a man is pulling away is because you are just too masculine. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean is you're leading, you are initiating, you're turning the radio on and off, you decide what music to play, where do you want to go, and he really feels like, why am I here? She doesn't need a man. She doesn't need anyone. And we see that in so many different shows, right? When men really say that, like she doesn't need anyone. So when a man doesn't feel needed, he leaves. He disappears because that's part of his purpose. He wants to feel needed. He wants to be your hero. But if you are your own hero, when you're your own hero, then there's no more room for him. And that destroys polarity. So again, here are the three reasons why men pull away. Number one, you are incongruent and inauthentic, girlfriend. Number two, you are giving your power away. You're not setting the boundaries. And number three, you are too masculine. So if you think, holy moly, I don't know what to do. I don't even know where to start. And I don't even know when I should set boundaries or when I can be vulnerable with him and when I can express my anxiety, then I invite you to come on a Magnetize the Man clarity call with me, moi, myself and I, and where we get crystal clear on what is stepping in the way, what are the love blocks that keeping you stuck in that same cycle of people pleasing and inauthenticity, but unfortunately also have one man after the other pull away from you. So for that, go to magnetizetheman.com, grab your slot as long as they last, and I'm looking forward to helping you to make this year the best year of your life. I'm Antia Boyd, and don't forget, dreams do come true.